How to see Valorant store on phone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to install one application. In order to do so, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Valorant Tracker. Scroll down and move into this app, Valorant Tracker. You have to install this application on a device, so wait for a while for it to complete. Once your application is installed, open it. It will land you on this homepage of Valorant Tracker. In order to see the Valorant store, first of all, you have to sign into your account, so tap on Sign In at the very top. Click on Continue. Now you have to enter your username and the password of your specific account, and then click on this arrow icon at the bottom. Once you are logged into your account, the option of Store at the bottom right corner will be visible to you. All you want to do is head over to it. In there, all the necessary stuffs for the game will be available. In order to see more, you have to scroll down. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see Valorant store on phone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.